Very cool. He's smoking the cigarette.
Ah, crap!
And they're off. Out in front, it's Seinfeld, followed closely by the British Office, followed by anything with Jon Stewart in it except Death to Smoochie.
That's gonna be painfully long and
Back in the back, it's Becker, but now Becker's stumbling badly.
it's an extremely long
Becker's being passed by reruns of Night Court
walk.
and an infomercial with the Chinese guy selling
Okay, no,
music.
it's not that intense.
Trailing them all, it's test matter.
Amazing. Probably no one suspects anything here.
Seabreeze. That's Brian. Arrest that dog. I'm not the father of Seabreeze's puppies, Joe. I'm innocent. Sentimental hogwash. But the real father is right here with us. And he is none other than Glenn Quagmire.
That's horrible.
Still less hair than a Greek chick.
Quagmire, huh? Wow, I kind of thought it was going to be that billionaire. You know, the guy that used to own that cable news station. Was married to that 80s workout queen. She hasn't really worked in a while. Kind of long in the tooth. Well, she did have that one movie with that actress with the fat ass.
Are you trying to get us sued?
What the fuck? I guess he met Rupert Murdoch there, but whatever. Alright. It's Python Griffith. Python attack. Python. Hit the children! Hit the children, Python! Ouch! Okay. Yeah. Okay, he just returned to the sea. Good job. Oh, okay. No, not the hot dogs. I want more of the hot dogs.
Your sandcastle is substandard. It shall be destroyed.
Oh. Oh my god, that was actually creepy. That was actually disturbing. Oh no. Give me the cookie. Give me the cookie. Put the cookie down. I don't understand it. I don't understand this. Powerful cookie. Powerful cookie. Powerful cookie. Ouch. Oh, okay. I don't understand. Good sounds. Alright, let's get the cookies. I don't. Okay.
Hey, stop it!
Oh my god. What is that? Okay, she just hip smacks you to hell.
Bring it on!
That's cool. Didn't know that this. Don't stop the animations. Don't stop them. Keep them going. You have to keep them going. Oh no, I'm about to be dead. Oh no, oh no, no. I'm in the stun lock again. I hate to be in the stun lock again. That's cool. That's actually kind of fun. That's kind of fun. Ah, he also falls down immediately. Goodbye. Boom.
Oh crap! Hey, stop it!
Hey, stop it! I'm Peter Griffin. I'm Plutonium Gryffindorstein. I'm Gryffindor's Woods. Give me the hot dogs. I am the hot dog machine. Where have you always been? I am the hot dog machine. Ah ha ha ha.
Your
Boom.
sandcastle is substandard. It shall be destroyed.
Thanks. What's happening? Good lord, what is happening here? Give me the cookies. Give me the cookie down. Give me the cookie now, I mean. Like, you know, I heard the cookie knock many times. Alright, cookie dead, I guess. Let's collect cookies. Okay. Alright. Now more crabs, yes. Dead mire. Ouch.
Oh, crap!
It's just too much going on. Can I destroy the beers? I can destroy. I can't. They don't do things. What? What's the meaning of this? Okay. There's my health. Where's the HP? I can find them.
You cannot confuse my program with your all-beat sex orgy.
Great.
Check it out. There's the dude.
Who initiates beach parties anymore? Anna's just saying.
Picadula?
Okay.
Your jiggly bikini-clad asses will not distract me from my mission.
Ouch. Oh my god. No!
This was like a brand new bikini.
No! Oh no, there was a...
The Nick.
You cannot confuse my program with your all-beat sex orgy.
Check it out.
Okay.
There's the dude.
Maybe I should try this a little...
Initiates beach parties anymore.
Okay.
Anna's just saying.
Picadula?
Ah! It doesn't move!
Your jiggly bikini-clad asses will not distract me from my mission.
Okay. No!
This was like a brand new bikini.
Okay, I'm gonna get smacked eternally.
Stop with the negativity.
Okay, there's no way out of this. It's just game over there. Okay.
You cannot confuse my program with your all-beat sex orgy.
Okay.
Check it out. There's the dude.
Who initiates beach parties anymore? Anna's just saying.
Initiates. I need... Oh no.
Picadula? This was like a brand new bikini.
Oh my god.
Your jiggly bikini-clad asses will not distract me.
Okay. Okay. Family Guy is too
Cannot
powerful.
confuse my program with your all-beat sex orgy.
Okay.
Check
Oh
it
boy.
out. There's the dude.
Who initiates beach parties anymore? Anna's just saying.
Picadula? This was like a brand new bikini.
Oh,
Oh crap!
amazing.
Stop with the negativity.
It's beautiful. It just hit me. It just smashed me off screen.
You cannot confuse my program with
Okay,
your all-beat sex orgy.
Check it out. There's the dude.
Okay.
Who initiates beach parties anymore? Anna's just saying.
Stop it! Stop it! Please stop it! It doesn't die! Okay,
Your
he died.
jiggly bikini-clad asses will not distract me from my mission.
This was like a brand new bikini.
Okay, okay, the game allowed me to do things again. Okay. Okay, this guy doesn't count. That's cool.
Target rich environment.
Okay.
Rich? I'll tell you what's rich. The amusing folksy monologues of young Will Rogers. But me, I like the visual slapstick gag. Like this comically oversized powder puff. Makeup! Ha 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 ha! Now that's rich. Play me off, Johnny.
Alright. I need all of this. For fuck's sake. What's happening?
No, thank God! Why?
The crabs, I don't know. Okay. Okay, let's ignore them. Cave. Police cave.
You there! Since you'll be tearing this town limb from limb, and since no one seems man enough to make you walk the plank, we've flown in one of your largest nemesis. Nemesi. If I be remembering my Latin rightly, I do believe the proper word would be nemesis. Yeah, that'd be right.
Okay.
Fine with me. Bring it on. What's the matter? Nothing to say for yourself? You were too busy hanging out on your island to record one line for some video game? Okay, I got my shot. Let's do this!
Okay. I mean, just have Seth MacFarlane. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Sandwich. Okay.
Ah, you bastard!
Okay. He actually stops. Yeah, well, that's. Oh, fine. Very cool.
You there! Since you'll be tearing
No. No.
Oh crap! Hey, stop it!
Alright. He just pulls that one insta-kill move and is a beautiful ballerina. You there. Okay. Let me look
So my
first.
enemies have employed their own cyborg against me. This
Okay, now I
unit is
can't
impressive.
go there. Cave doesn't let me anymore.
How about you,
No!
cyborg?
Please don't.
We must kung fu fight.
Uh.
The path to knighthood is paved with your
Okay, oh no! Okay, 1, 2, 3 it is.
The path to being a cyborg ninja is having a satellite fall on your head. Oh crap! Ah, you bastard!
Oh, dit looted.
You there!
Yeah, Yuda. Hello, Mr. Yuda.
So my enemies have employed their own
Okay,
cyborg
I need to
against
get the
me.
heck out of there.
This unit is impressed.
Hello.
You there!
You
Since you'll
there!
be tearing this
Hello, what's happening?
So my enemies have employed their own cyborg against me. This unit is impressed.
Okay, it's just these two buttons.
How about you, fellow cyborg?
Okay.
We must kung fu fight. The path to knighthood is
Please.
paved with your sorry ass.
What happened there? I did
Path
the.
to
Oh
being a
god.
cyborg ninja is having a satellite fall on your head.
Oh no, is this the Monty Python bit? Is he gonna lose all his limbs or what?
You are You suck!
It's great. It's
Your mother was a
fun.
can of tuna.
It never ends. Where's the joke? Oh god. Oh god, this game just punishes you for the fact that you just keep playing it. It just tries to tell you should have stopped a long time ago. I don't understand this. Okay. Oh great. Oh fucking great. Okay. I guess we're gonna just... Good thing that this shit didn't hit me right now. Okay, Oh, he immediately steps out of his, shit. Well, okay. Okay. Alright, then. That was rather close. Okay, more donuts, I guess. Ah, I can also destroy this shit. Oh baby. Sweetest
Hey, stop it!
sweetest shit ever. Okay then. I would like to save some of that.
Hey, stop it!
Okay. I don't know where he even crashed into. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, dude. How many buttons do I have to press here? Yes, this is okay. Great, wrong direction. Still did the best. Did the game decide it's over? Did it finally decide it's over? Can I finally?
Anna says, "Thank you, Jesus."
Go Jesus, it's Christmas. Go Jesus, it's Christmas.
Okay. I don't fucking understand. Just please, just please.
Peter.
Hey, Peter!
Lois.
Wife
Escape from
Lois.
Mr. Belvedere.
Peter, there is no Mr. Belvedere.
Oh, no,
He's just
really?
a TV character that we can use because Fox owns the rights to him. But aside from that, the actor who played him has been dead for years. You destroyed half of Quahog looking for something that doesn't exist.
Oh my God.
Oh
I'm
no,
a
the
monster. All the
comedy.
people whose asses I kicked.
I know you must feel bad, Peter. But maybe if you try to make amends with those people...
You make a lot of sense, Lois. And not to get all touchy-feely on you, but what I hear you saying is that this is the kind of regret that is only cured by serious, hardcore drinking. I love you, problem-solving wife.
Very great. Very
This
great.
is your last chance, Stuart. Join me, and together we can rule the galaxy as brother and brother.
Interesting offer. Do you have a dental plan?
I haven't really thought about it.
You expect me to work without benefits. I do speak English, you know. No, I think the best thing is for me to kill you.
Okay. I guess we gotta kill this guy now and then it might be over because